Sort of man versus human nature. You know, where the stuff happens. Let's go, mate. Right now we're at a ballpark in Severn, Wisconsin. There is some hints that human natures have been here. See, it even says Severn Ballpark. Just to get you know to stay away from this place. If you've seen an earlier episode, there were some real things on that sip right over there. And you all seen if you saw that last episode. Now, take a look at this. This is where some people were. You see the carvings and everything, especially that one. Get real good at that one. It's a B, it's an L, it's a U, and a E, and a Y. We don't know what that spells. Now, if you come along, oh, what is this? Someone left a gun. Let's see this. Crikey's, mate. We only have a few options. We could throw it away. Or we could just... I got the scent. Let's go! Come on, kids. Never little. Come on. I got my scent. Come on, Captain.
I'm coming, Ken. I'm coming.
Crikey's, mate. They definitely went this way.
Yes, sure.
Come on, let's move up. Definitely smell. Definitely smell. One of them was wearing a hat. It smells kind of dusty, too. Alright. Definitely in this area. Man. Alright, let's see. Maybe some light. We can shine some light on the subject. That didn't really help. Come on, Captain. Let's keep moving. We got some proof that some human nature was going on here. The seeds, they were in people's mouths. That's why I don't know why I'm touching myself with it. You get the idea. I mess up sometimes, folks. Don't touch him, Captain. He's over here. Come on. Oh, I smell it now. See these stones? There's an ancient burial ground right under here. Now, if we lift it, I'm pretty sure there'll be a dead thing. So let me... Never mind, let's keep moving. Okay. Alright, mates. We're gonna make it on the... over there, by that shed over there. We're gonna cut it off right here. But we'll be right back after these messages. Welcome. If you ever had like kids, just have cans and then walk over to the trash. Just throw them in. Just every time. But that's not recycle. This is recycle, kids. It doesn't say it. But if you see one that says trash, you don't throw aluminum cans in there. Because you can always recycle them, you little spoiled little brats. See, when you come over here and you have like a Mountain Dew can or a Pepsi can even, it says cans. So that's when you put cans in there. As you can see, like proper adults do. See? And now, when you bring it into the trash over here, there's trash. See, kids? Absolutely nothing. Now, thank you for a word for our sponsor, which is directly called Bluey Industries of Recycling. Please recycle, you spoiled little brats. Have you ever wanted to be a Santa Claus? Ho, ho, ho. What do you want for Christmas? Okay, that's good enough. I will make sure that'll get to your house. And then you just want your day to be over. Well, when you come home to like a family, and you're a Martian. I already told you to go home. So, when you go home to your family, and you're like, hey honey, you crack open a beer, and you throw it in the trash. We have recycling bins for that, people. So recycle. Okay? Oh, clankies, man. You don't want to go. Oh, crap. We're so... Okay.